It's Saturday. It's supposed to storm today. We are actually under a severe weather alert thingamadoodle. We're supposed to get like a winter storm. Couple inches.
Phone book update failed.
What the heck was that?
You're on Bluetooth.
Oh, we'll turn that off. Anyways, we're under a winter storm warning thingamadoodle. We're supposed to get a little more than a couple inches, and we're supposed to get like an inch or two of ice. So, they are putting salt down everywhere right now. It's purple, and what they have them doing is kind of cool. Is they put like this, it looks like a cedar, like when in spring, you know, when you seed your grass, on a back of a four-wheeler, and they're riding up and down our sidewalks, spreading salt everywhere. So it's kind of cool. So we're on our way to go pick up groceries, and Savannah pulled up yesterday that her favorite place in the world, Starbucks, has a whole Valentine's Day line of drinks, and she wants to try, what was it, the chocolate covered strawberry? I think it's the chocolate covered strawberry frappe, which happens to be in the parking lot of where I pick up my groceries. So yeah, it's chocolate covered strawberry creme frappuccino. So I'm gonna take her over to get one of those to try. So, and I put the dog in the car with us. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's somewhere. He's back there. He's back there somewhere. There he is. Just to go for a ride before the snow comes, because we might be in the house for a couple days. So, off to do chores, errands. But, you know, it's still fun stuff, too, because at least we get out of the house before it snows. They're out of strawberries at Starbucks. So, she can't get her chocolate-covered strawberry drink. So, what'd you get?
Cookie crumble frappuccino.
A cookie crumble frappuccino. So, that stinketh. Did he just fall?
Yeah. You alright, Doza?
Anyways, why did he fall?
I guess because I'm holding his lead.
Oh, watch what you're doing. You gotta put your window up, Bubba, because otherwise you bark. What are you doing? He barks at everybody. He's so darn cute, but he acts like he's vicious. Vicious. Okay, I gotta go. Hold this. The pockets.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Oh, there's your yum. Morning. I'm looking a little rough. It's Sunday morning. It's Super Bowl Sunday. And we got an ice storm. So it did snow, but none of it stuck. But the ice, see how blue it is? It's blue hour. Yeah. It's really cold and icy out. Can you see? But anyways, it's Sunday. I'm supposed to be going to church. Jeff had to go because he's working sounds at church. I'm not feeling the hottest. I took my shot last night, my Wegovy. I had to think there for a minute, like, what am I on? I was up all night with like some stomach yuckies. So I'm not feeling the hottest. I really don't want to drive in the ice either. So I'm thinking I'm going to stay home and watch church. I'm opening up the house, I call it. I need to film for my other channel as well. Thinking about doing some coloring. I'm just kind of like moving in slow motion today, and I look a little cray. Let me set you down here. There we go. Are you there? Yeah, you're there. I look a little cray. I'm at least dressed. So, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm probably not gonna be able, as I sit here and think about it, I'm like, I'm probably not gonna be able to eat this crap because I just took my shot last night. My stomach's a little, but I'm like super hungry for ham and beans, which is like, that's really weird craving because I usually am never hungry for stuff like that. And I'm going to make this Pinterest recipe that I found for sweet and sour meatballs for dinner tonight. I think I'm going to serve it over rice. I don't know. We'll see what Jeff wants to eat it with. But I got all the stuff for sweet and sour meatballs. And to me, too, it also feels like football food. I'm not sure Jeff will watch the Super Bowl, but he might. And none of his, the teams that he wanted to win didn't win. So I don't know if he will, but he might just because he likes football and maybe he wants to see the commercials or whatever. So I just feel like sweet and sour meatball dinner would be kind of like a football food kind of thing. And I would put the ham and beans on in a pot on the stove. I'm the only one that will eat that, so I'll make enough where I can eat on it probably for the week for lunch. But I'm the only one that'll eat ham and beans. But I have no idea why, but I'm like craving ham and beans. It's really weird. And I think I'm going to get the meatballs in the crock pot so that they can kind of slow cook all day. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today. And I'm really, really into my book right now. So I think I'm going to put my headset on, listen to my audiobook while I get the ham and beans cooking on the stove, because I'm going to cook them on slow too. Like, they taste better when they cook. And get the meatballs in the crock pot. And I think I'm going to just listen to my audiobook and color and maybe watch church online. That's what I just feel like doing today. And I don't know if I'm going to look much better than this. This is kind of my Sunday at home, just chilling look. And I also need to do some intentional movement. So I think this is going to be my Sunday. So it's a homebody vlog. It's just a homebody vlog, and this is what homebodies do. So I need to go plug my camera in. So let's go do that. Our face. But I wanted to show you this. This is my Kindle. And I ordered one of these dust protectors. And I got it in 4th wing. Those who have read the book will understand. That's Taryn, and the little gold one there is I never can say her name right, but Diarna, And I thought this was super cute because it's a dust protector. Because this is where you put your charger in to charge your Kindle. But these things have such a long life. It's supposed to protect it from dust. But I thought that was so cute to have like a little charm hanging from your Kindle. And then I got a little pop socket too from one of my favorite books this year, which was last year actually, Lights Out. I got it off Etsy. I absolutely love my Kindle. Oh no, it fell off. I gotta get it. They flew away. My books. There's that book I was talking about, Lights Out. That's the book I'm reading, Onyx Storm. And of course, my awesome Outlander shelf. Drinking my liquid IV. See if that doesn't help with the post-shot kickers. So, I'm going to put on my headset and turn on the audiobook that I'm listening to right now. And I'm going to go get the ham and beans on. It's taking me forever to listen to this book. 68 chapters. It's like a 600-page book. It's taking me a bit. This, whatever. But anyways, I'm going to put my audiobook on. I'm going to go get the ham and beans on. I'm also going to make myself some eggs because I feel really hungry, but I'm so nervous. And then after I film my coloring page for my second channel, then I'll get the meatballs on. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I ain't afraid of the dark. Once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill. But truth can be a bitter pill. That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like the river flows, life will take you where you need to go. That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. Like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. And that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. One day, like a tidal wave, a hurricane, like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain, it comes rolling in. And right away, oh, it hits you like a ton of lead. Oh yeah, it'll mess with your head. You won't know where to begin. You can't keep up, you fall behind. You lost your aim, can't clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over. You just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. No way, this is real. No, it can't be true. Maybe for someone else, but not for you. Still you pray that it'll stay and hit you harder, don't go away. Hit you deeper, running through your veins for one more day. You can't keep up, you fall behind. Lost your aim, can clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, the freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. Pulls you in, it takes over. You just can't let go of the worst, best thing well, that's ever happened to you.
I wish you guys could smell the green beans, not green beans, the beans and ham. I don't know why I said green beans. Anyways, I'm gonna get the meatballs on. So I got a bag of home style meatballs. You're gonna make this recipe. Don't use Italian. It might taste a little funny. I'm gonna get them in the slow cooker. You know, if you feel ambitious, you can make your own meatballs. Today, I'm taking the easy way. So I got some Sweet Baby Ray's sweet red chili, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and some pineapple chunks with the juice. And that is gonna make, I'll put some, not the whole can. That should be good. Half a can. Some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You could also use your favorite. We really like Sweet Baby Ray's. And then we're going to use the sweet chili sauce. And this is going to make for a great sweet and sour meatballs. I'm going to cook it for a few, for a few hours. Let's do half a jar. Now let me mix it. Let me mix it and see what we got. I think once these start to cook, they already smell amazing. I think we'll be good. And that is the beginnings of sweet and sour meatballs. It's kind of like an Asian dish. We're gonna put slow cook on 5 hours. That should be delicious. And I'll put the Sweet Baby Ray's away. Leave that sit here. So this will probably be really good served over rice, which if my husband's okay with it, that's probably what I'll serve it over. You know, with like a salad or just something yummy. Something different. It's different than your run-of-the-mill, you know, spaghetti meatballs. I just thought it'd be really fitting for Super Bowl. Because when I think of Super Bowl, I always think of like finger foods or I don't know, like snackies and things like that. So this is what it looks like. So I bet you after 5 hours of cooking on slow all day long, these are going to be amazing. And we'll probably have a nice, I don't know what to call it, sauce that'll be delicious over rice. So I'm going to let them cook for 5 hours. I'll show you the beans and ham. Now this has been cooking for about 4 because I'm going to eat these for lunch. These smell amazing. And the beans are getting nice and soft, so gonna have a little bowl of that for lunch, but not yet. I'm not quite there yet. My tummy is a little, so we'll see how that goes. So it's hours later. My husband came home. I almost died. Did you see that? There's a big thing in the rug and I just tripped over it. I almost just died. Anyway, he came home and we decided to watch a movie. We watched The Lost City with Sandra Bullock and Channing Tatum, and it has like a surprise little thing in there with Brad Pitt. It was actually really cute. I laughed through the whole thing. I needed to laugh. So it's about, I don't know, 4 hours later, checking on the meatballs. I'm gonna taste one because it's not gonna be for quite some time till I make like the rice. We're just having rice and salad with it. So I thought I would give one a taste so I can get this video up for you guys. All right, here we go. Meatball. Even when it drips on you. They have a little bit of kick. Definitely sweet. It's that sweet and spicy. Oh, they're so good. They're real tender. Oh, they're sweet and sour. They're really good. So let me turn you around so you can see them. Look at them bad boys. They're good. Chunks of pineapple. And look at the nice sauce. So I'm just going to make a bowl of rice, some meatballs with some juice over the rice, and a nice big green salad. That's literally going to be our dinner. My husband is not going to watch the football, what's that? Super Bowl. He said it doesn't start till 6 o'clock tonight. He has to go to bed at 6:30. He has to go to work tomorrow. So no Super Bowl in this house. So it was just one of those easy, lazy Sundays where I got 7 more chapters done in my book. I ate a little bit of my ham and beans. I can only eat a little bit. I was so hungry for it and it smelled so good. But then when I sat down to eat it, I was just like, eh. So, I'll probably just put them in a container and put them in the fridge. This is what happens when you're on these GLP-1 shots. You just, sometimes you feel like it and then you go to eat it and you're like, ooh. But I think I'm going to do okay with the meatballs. But anyways, thanks for joining me today in my lazy weekend homebody vlog. And I'll be talking to you guys very soon in another video. Until then, take care of you. Know I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, lovies.